Hello everyone, myself Rupali Das. Today I am going to explain alphabetical order. We all know there are 26 alphabets are there in our English language. Alphabetical order is a process how we will arrange all the words as alphabetical order. How the alphabets I have written in the screen, you can say that. I will take some examples to explain this process. See, the first word flower, then sky, then road, and one more word I will take, which is water. Okay, here 4 words are there. Then to arrange in alphabetical order, first we will see the first letters of the word. Here in this word F is the first letter, here S, and here R, and here W. So then we will see the alphabets. The 26 alphabets I have written here. For to take help, we will see the alphabets. First in our alphabetical in alphabetical order, which alphabet is coming? First A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It is the sequence. Okay, in this sequence the alphabet are written. So we will follow the same sequence. So first we will see from these 4 words which words first letter is coming in the sequence. It is F. So first we will write flower. Then we will see F. Then second word's letter is S. So we will see the sequence G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, M, N, O, P, Q. Then R is coming. So we will write this word, road. Okay. Then which word is coming in that sequence? R after S. So that we will write here S. S letter word. Then at last which is left? W. So at last we will write water. So in this sequence, by taking the help of alphabets, we can write alphabetical order. So one more example I am taking here. Tree. This is number 1. This is number 2. Okay, this is number 1's answer. Tree. Then mountain. Then ocean. Then land. Okay, here also I have taken 4 words. The first what we will see? First we will see the first letter of the word. Here here T, then M, then O, then L. Again we will see the sequence of alphabets. First which alphabet is coming? We will see that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, L is the letter which is coming first in the sequence of alphabets. Okay, so answer we will write the first word land. Then after which alphabet is coming? L after J, K, L, M. M letter word also there. So we will take that mountain. So M after which letter is coming? M and O. So O letter word also there in our question. Then third number, this O letter word will come in answer. At last which left? T. This one also coming at last. So that tree. Okay. In this way we can arrange all the words in alphabetical order. Thank you.